Hello everyone, I am Rushikesh Hiray, third year student of IT. For remote sensing and GIS FA2, my topic for the presentation is monitoring the deforestation in Melghat Reserve in Maharashtra using remote sensing and GIS. Uh, Next. So here I am going to cover the first of all introduction, then the problem we are going to face, then objective of the study, then we are going to see the methodology, then after that how the data input and pre-processing, as well with the result and discussion. After that the limitation we got, then objectives, conclusion, and as well as application, remark and references. So Melghat is Tiger Reserve is located in a Saputara hill range of Maharashtra, and it is one of the India's oldest tiger reserve. It is a biodiversity hotspot, which is home to the tigers, leopards, and sloth bears, and many other rare species. However, over the past decades, this area has faced the pressures from the agriculture encroachment, illegal logging, development. So how we can use the remote sensing and GIS to understand the pattern and changes which has been done over the last decade in the forest area. The problem statement we got is, despite it is a protected area, the Melghat Tiger Reserve has experienced a significant forest cover loss during the 2001 to 2025. So we use unregulated, because of the reason behind that are like unregulated land use and human encroachment, as well as the as well as many other human in interventions. These are the some of the most reasons that have impacted the forest. So despite it is a despite it has a protected status, Mega Tiger Reserve has experienced a significant forest loss over the unregulated land use and human encroachment have led to the habitat fragmentation, threatening the reserve ecological balance. Moreover, without the real-time monitoring, managers struggle to pinpoint deforestation hotspot and respond quickly. Therefore, there is a critical need for temporal analysis using the satellite imagery to quantify these changes and inform evidence-based interventions. So the objective. Let's see the objective. The objective of our study has monitoring the temporal changes in a forest cover between 2001 and 2021 using the Landsat imagery. Then detect the map areas, forest areas of deforestation and forest degradations. Then detect the map. Then identify the critical hotspot where forest loss is most severe. Then provide the data-driven insights to support the conservation and sustainable management efforts. Then the methodology. We employ the multi-step workflow here. First of all, we collect the Landsat 5 imagery of 2021 and Landsat 8 for 2021, and pre-process the images by clipping to reserve boundaries, radiometric and atmospheric corrections, and geo-referencing. After that, conducted the supervised classification using maximum likelihood method to distinguish the dense forest, open forest, and non-forest. Then calculated the NDVI and generated the false color composites to highlight the vegetation changes. Then perform the GIS based changes detection and statistical analysis to quantify the area's changes. Next. Then input data and pre-processing. The data input data is like the same like the satellite images of Landsat 8 and Landsat 5. After that, the tools we are using is the QGIS, ArcGIS for the map visualization, as well as after that the ERDAS imaging for classification and pre-processing. After that, shape files and layers, shape files and layers for for the shapefiles for the obtained from these are obtained from the Bhuvan NRSC, and after that land cover data layers. This is validated by using the ground truth data obtained from the forest department. Then the pre-processing of the images like by clipping, atmospheric correction, and geo-reference. These are the maps. Maps of the mega tiger reserve over the years. This red part shows that the forest fire, like in which these are the most affected area of the forest fire, which has also impacted in deforestation, which has also these are the results. Like in 2021, there is a dense forest area is about 1160, which has reduced to 980 in 2021, as well as open forest in 3000 in 2001 is 390 square kilometer, which has increased in 2021 to 470 square kilometer. That means the open which is not good for the forest, as well as the non-forest area is also increased by 100 square kilometer. So these are open forest has area is increased indicates the degradation, while non-forest region expanded, signaling the human encroachment. So hotspot of the deforestation were concentrated near the villages along newly constructed roads. So every study has a constraint. Our limitation include the 30-meter resolution of the landscape may miss small scale clearing, as well as we analyze only 2 points which may overlook the interim fluctuations. After that, cloud cover in monsoon seasons could include the obstacle while vegetation signals. Then supervised classification depends on the quality and training data, and limited ground truth can also introduce the bias. In conclusion, remote sensing and GIS have proven effectively detecting the significant forest loss in mega tiger reserve over the last 20 years. Detecting the significant loss over in mega tiger reserve over the last 20 years. The decline in the dense forest in the rise, degraded area underscore growing the pressures. This insight can guide targeted conservation and measure the policy interventions. The application include enables the continuous monitoring the forest ecosystem using satellite imagery. Second one, assists the forest department to identify and prioritize the conservational hotspot. Then facilitate the planning of afforestation and reforestation and economical eco restoration programs. Then support the formation of effective environmental regulation and forest protection policies. Then promotes the community-based forest management by integrating the geospatial findings with local governance. Next. So the remarks we have the technical remarks we have understood how to use the QGIS for map viewing and editing. Then technically this project enhance our skill in QGIS, image processing and classification workflows. Non-technically, it is highlighted our awareness of conservation challenges and importance of data-driven decision making. These are the references which I have used while preparing this case study. Next.